People have been asking me, all of you have been asking me, how to enter into New Year, how to say goodbye to this year which has been so heavy for so many of us. Especially people who have been light workers, who are energy workers, working with energy on their spiritual path. It has been a difficult year. A lot of realization, a lot of inner work, a lot of shadow work had to be done. So I have only one answer. Remember, if a problem exists, if a problem has been designed, it has been designed with a solution. A lock comes with a key. Then you lose the key is a different thing. So if you have been facing problems and you're scared that 2022 is going to be another year of all kind of problems, no. This is the year of solution. So problem is going to lead to solution. If you have suffered from a heartbreak this year, if you started this year with a heartbreak and still continuing, or you started this year very good and you are now heading towards a heartbreak, or you feel there's something wrong, or although you're in a relationship, you feel there's a void, there's sadness. How to find that happiness? Why is it happening? Let's try to understand that. It is all about the energy shift, and after all we are energy, which means all kind of energy dynamics impact us based on what frequency we are on. And this year, 2021, has been all about transition. It's all about inner work, it's all about shadow work, which means we are going through a transition, we are fluctuating, we are going from up to down, depending on how our partner is, the person we are romantically involved with. We will be facing a lot of either conflicts or happy moments or not so happy and sad moments, or in fact very angry moments. So if you're going through any kind of a heartbreak, or you're feeling that it's going to happen, or you feel that things are just hopeless, don't give up hope. Frequencies are changing. You will find your alignment and you will find harmony. I don't know whether this with this partner or not, but for sure, love is out there waiting for you. Happiness is out there waiting for you. Hold it there. We always focus on love and the happiness that the love brings us. We always focus on light at Ajanta Vihara. And as a part of our ongoing focus on this happiness, on love, on light, I want to let you know that if you have been feeling really, really lost, sad and confused, especially for students who feel that nothing's working out for them, students who are developing anxieties as to what is going to happen, how am I going to manage, am I going to do well, am I not going to do well. This is also the time when you have a lot of anxieties due to your pre-boards and all, or you are heading towards your board, especially for 10th and 12th students. Don't worry, energies are shifting. Just focus on yourself. Have that confidence, because confidence is what you need to focus on. That smile of yours is what you need for next year. Because next year, trust me, is all about high frequency emotions, high frequency vibrations. And the more you align yourself to feeling confident, feeling happy, feeling positive, feeling optimistic about things, every day affirm only and only positive thoughts, you will see the shift. You will realize that you're not only confident, but you're happy, you're hopeful, and you're very, very optimistic. So with these affirmations, get into this new year. Fear. There are only two ways to live life: fear or love. Fear brings a lot of complications. Fear brings ego. Fear brings attachment to your emotions, attachment to expectations. Say goodbye to that ego, say goodbye to that attachment, and move into this new year with love. Try it. At least try to make love as a core of your life. Whatever you do, do it out of love, not out of fear. Whatever choices you make it out of love, not out of fear. Whatever problems come to you, deal with those with love and not fear. And then see, love is all you will receive and love is all you will give.